Hello, my dears. Good morning. Welcome back to our maths class. Okay, in the previous class, we learned how to convert time. That means we convert the time given in seconds to minute and the time given in minutes to seconds. Okay, now let us start the next section. Take your text, page number 30. Look at the heading, Happy Journey. Johnny is going on a trip with his family. Do you see Johnny's family here? Johnny's family include Johnny, his wife, his son and his daughter. Now they are going for a trip. Let us listen what they are talking. Johnny said, the report says monsoon will start in 24 hours. Monsoon 24 hours nagam start cheyunu. Then his son says, 24 hours means one day, right? Then his mother says, the 24 hours from 12 midnight to 12 midnight the next day is taken as one day. Here they are talking about one day. One day equal to 24 hours. That means 24 hours make one day. Then tell me, 2 days equal to? Yes, 24 plus 24 equal to 48 hours. Can you say from where the 24 hours start? Yes, 12 midnight to 12 midnight the next day is 24 hours. That means 12 midnight to 12 noon, 12 hours. Then 12 noon to 12 midnight, 12 hours. 12 hours plus 12 hours, 24 hours is one day. My dears, write this in your notebook. Now, Johnny and his family reached the railway station. Listen, there is an announcement. Your attention please. Today's Mangala Express will leave only at 15 hours. Then his daughter says, 15 hours? But the clock has only 12 hours. Then his son says, Railways use 24 hours clock. Then Johnny says, 15 hours means 3 hours added to 12 noon. That is 3 o'clock afternoon. Then his wife says, in the 24 hours of a day, the time from 12 midnight to 12 noon is denoted AM and the time from 12 noon to 12 midnight is denoted PM. Okay, teacher will explain this. Listen here. There are two types of time system. 12-hour clock system and 24-hour clock system. The 24-hour clock system is also known as railway time because railway used 24-hour clock. We know one day equal to 24 hours. In 12-hour clock system, divide these 24 hours of the day into two sections, 12 midnight to 12 noon and 12 noon to 12 midnight. The time from 12 midnight to 12 noon is considered as antemeridian or AM and the time from the 12 noon to 12 midnight is considered as postmeridian or PM. Usually we count the time as 12 midnight, 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m., etc. etc. 12 noon. Then 1 p.m., 2 p.m., 3 p.m., etc. This system is known as 12-hour clock system. But in railway time, there is a 24-hour clock system. That means after 12 noon, the time is continuously going as 13, 14, 15, etc. up to 24. The railway time has no AM or PM. In 12-hour clock system, the times are 12 midnight, 1 AM, 2 AM, 3 AM, etc. up to 12 noon. Then after we counted like 1 PM, 2 PM, 3 PM, 4 PM, etc. up to 12 midnight. രാത്രി 12 മുതൽ ഉച്ചയ്ക്ക് 12 വരെ AM, then from 12 noon to night 12, that is PM. Okay, now let us consider 12-hour clock system and 24-hour clock system. In 12-hour clock system, we use AM and PM. In 24-hour clock system, we does not use AM or PM. In 12-hour clock system, 1 AM. That means in 24-hour clock system, 1 AM is also equal to 1. Okay. 2 AM, 2. 3:15 AM, also 3:15 AM. 10:30 AM, also equal to, AM ഇല്ല ഇവിടെ. 10:30 AM is also 10:30. 11 AM is equal to 11. Then 12 noon is also equal to 12. After 12 noon we use PM. 1 PM in railway time, 1 PM is equal to 13. How can we find this 13? Yes, 12 plus 1. 12 plus 1 is equal to 13. 2 PM in railway time, 2 PM is equal to 14. How can you find this? 12 plus 2. 6 PM. How can we find the railway time equivalent to 6 PM? 12 plus 6. 12 plus 6. What is the answer? Yes, 18 hours. Okay. What is the equivalent time of 8 PM in railway time? Yes, how can we find? 12 plus 8. 12 plus 8. What is the answer? 20 hours. Listen here. All the times given in AM, okay, also equal in railway time. നോക്കിയേ, AM-ൽ തന്ന എല്ലാം റെയിൽവേ ടൈമിലും ഈക്വൽ അല്ലേ? PM-ലല്ലേ വ്യത്യാസം വന്നിരിക്കുന്നത്? 1 PM equal to 13, 2 PM equal to 14, 6 PM is equal to 18, 8 PM is equal to 20. അപ്പോൾ AM-ൽ ഇതിന് രണ്ടിനും ചേഞ്ച് ഇല്ല. PM-ൽ വരുമ്പോഴാണ് ചേഞ്ച് വരുന്നത്. Can you understand this? Look here. Here the time in 24-hour clock system is given. We want to find the time in AM or PM. Okay, first time is 8. What is the time here? Till to 12:59, the time in AM or PM and 24-hour clock system are equal. Here 8 is less than 12. So here the time is also 8. Is that is AM? Yes, that is 8 AM. What is the time here? Here 10. What comes here? Yes, 10 AM. Here the time is 18:15 hours. This is more than 12. That is, how can we find the time here? In 12-hour clock system, no 18:15 time. How can we find the time here? Yes, subtract 12 from 18. What is the answer? 6 is the answer. 18 minus 12, 6. So, here our answer is 6:15. What about AM or PM? Yes, this is PM. Here 5 less than 12. So, here also 5. AM or PM? AM. Here 20 more than 12. So what is the answer here? How can we find? Yes, subtract 12 from 20. What is the answer? 8. What about the next? Here the time is 14. How can we find the answer here? Subtract 12 from 14. What is the answer? 14 minus 12. Yes, 2. Answer is 2 p.m. Okay, now let us do the textbook activity. Take your text, page number 31. Rewriting. The table below shows the times some trains start from various stations. Write these using AM or PM. Here they gave the name of the train and starting time. That means railway time is given. We convert this time into AM or PM. One is done for us. The third one, Ernakulam Ajmer Marusagar Express. Starting time 20 hours 5 minutes. Convert that into AM or PM. How can we convert? Yes, 20 minus 12. 20 minus 12 equal to 8. So here the time is 20 hours 5 minutes. So the answer is 8 hours 5 minutes. What about AM or PM? Yes, this is greater than 12. So answer is PM. Railway time greater than 12 ആണെങ്കിൽ AM-ലോ PM-ലോ ആക്കുമ്പോൾ അതെന്തായിരിക്കും? PM ആയിരിക്കും. Okay, let us look the first one. Alappuzha Kannur Express 14:55. Okay, how can we convert? Yes, 14 minus 12 equal to 2. So our answer is 2:55. AM or PM? Yes, that is PM. Next one. Alappuzha Chennai Express 16 hours. Yes, how can we convert? 16 minus 12 equal to 4. PM or AM? Yes, 16 is greater than 12. So here the answer is PM. Okay, the fourth one. Ernakulam Patna Express 23. How can we find? Yes, 23 minus 12. Our answer is 11. PM or AM? Surely 23 is greater than 12. So answer is PM. Okay, the next one is Thiruvananthapuram Delhi Kerala Express 11:15. Is it is greater than 12? No, less than 12. So our answer is also equal to 11:15. AM or PM? AM. Thiruvananthapuram Shornur Venad Express 5. Answer is 5 AM. Okay, now let us do the next activity. The timing of some buses are given below. Write them using 24-hour clock. Here the time in AM or PM is given. We want to convert it into 24-hour clock system. First one, Thiruvananthapuram Ernakulam 11:15 AM. We also know that the times in AM is also equal to 24-hour clock system. So, and 24-hour clock system 11:15 AM is equal to 11:15. Thiruvananthapuram Kozhikode 6:30 AM. Here also AM. So in 24-hour clock system it's also equal to 6:30. Next one, Guruvayur Kannur 1:40 PM. Here PM. So we want to convert. Yes. How can we convert? Yes, add 12 plus 1. 12 plus 1 equal to 13. So our answer is 13:40. Next one, Kozhikode Palakkad 3:45 PM. Here PM. So we want to convert. How can we convert? 12 plus 3. 12 plus 3 equal to 15. So our answer is 15 hours 45. 15:45. Next one, Thrissur Thiruvananthapuram 11:40 PM. So our answer is 12 plus 11. What is the answer? 23. So our answer is 23:40 8:40. Next one, Alappuzha Kozhikode 8:05 a.m. Here a.m. So we don't want to convert. Answer is 8:05. In today's class, we learned how to convert railway time into AM or PM, or how to convert the time in AM or PM to railway time. Can you understand? Okay, dears. See you in the next class.